Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over how to apply to ECU as a Pirate Promise student. So first things first, you want to make sure that you're at the right point of your associate degree to apply to ECU. So when are you graduating? If you're graduating with your associate degree around 1 to 2 academic terms from now, you are definitely ready to apply to ECU. That's typically 4 to 6 months before you graduate with your associate's degree from your community college. All right, your second step is going to be to request your fee waiver. So that's a super simple process. All you need to do is email piratepromise@ecu to receive your fee waiver to apply to the university for free. And what you'll do is just copy and paste that fee waiver into your portal when applying to the university to make sure that you get that free application. Applying to ECU, super simple. So the application process to ECU is very simple for our Pirate Promise students. Of course, you guys are guaranteed admission, but we do need to make sure that you're actually joining us in Pirate Nation, so you still got to fill out that application. If you are currently in high school, you are going to apply to ECU as a freshman applicant. So my early college and CCP students, you're applying to ECU as a freshman. And if you have graduated from high school and you're working on your associate degree at the community college, you are going to apply as a transfer applicant. And you're going to submit that application, guys, in the Navigator portal. I know as Pirate Promise students, you do have a Pirate Promise portal. So at this point, you are ready to graduate and move on to the Navigator portal to apply to ECU. And once you've submitted your application, you're going to be ready to submit your official transcripts, okay? So freshman applicants, you guys are going to be submitting your high school transcripts and your college transcripts. And those are typically submitted either by your high school counselor or you can request them through CFNC or Common App. Now for transfer applicants, you guys definitely are going to just give us your official college transcripts, and you all are responsible for requesting those from your college or colleges and having them sent either by email to transfer@ecu.edu or mailed to either one of the addresses right here on your screen. All right, moving on. So next steps, after you apply to ECU, all you need to do is check your Navigator portal for updates. We are a rolling admissions university, and that means that we will review applications between 2 and 5 weeks and go ahead and make a decision. Now, in terms of your decision, you will find out when you've been admitted to Pirate Nation in your Navigator portal. You'll also receive an email from us, a packet in the mail, and maybe even a phone call to let you know that you've been invited to join us. And once you've been admitted, this is a separate presentation that I will go over, but we do have an admitted student guide that takes you through everything you need to do before you join us in Pirate Nation. And last minute reminders. So please note, guys, typically our Pirate Promise students will apply to the university, before they've graduated with their associate degree. Just keep in mind, we are going to need that final transcript that shows you have your associate degree prior to your enrollment at ECU. The second thing to keep in mind, you are more than welcome to use all of your Pirate Promise benefits all the way up until the first day of classes here at ECU. So just because you've been admitted to ECU doesn't mean those Pirate Promise benefits go away. And last but not least, we are so excited that you have chosen to join us with Pirate Promise, and we hope that you like purple and gold because you're going to be wearing them for quite a few years with us, and hopefully long after that as well. And that is how to apply to ECU as a Pirate Promise student.